It's just a question.
Proud of their academic accomplishments, 7 dual enrollment students at Whale Branch Early College High School found out they've made the Technical College of the Lowcountry's Dean's List last semester.
I was really proud of myself considering I'm at the top of a college as a high school student. I was really proud of myself, and I think many other people can accomplish it if they put their mind to it.
It means a lot, honestly, to know that putting in that amount of hard work really paid off.
By taking part in the dual enrollment program, students have the opportunity to start earning college credit while in high school.
I wanted to do dual enrollment because it was like a head start. So like when I actually got to college, I wouldn't have to do as much, and then I wouldn't have to like stay there for as many years, so that I can just like get my career on the roll.
It's a great stepping stone to prepare me for actual college instead of getting thrown right into a professional setting, and you get to be with your peers and teachers you already knew for the most part, except for online classes. And it prepares you a lot for like that real hardworking studying environment, and it's free, so you get a 2-year head start on everyone else you're with in that college, and it's just a great program.
The college courses the students take are challenging.
You definitely have to have the work mindset because it is a lot of work, definitely. And I knew that it would be a lot, but I was not expecting it to be that much work. So once I finally got into it and started getting the hang of it, then I could finally understand, like, yeah, this is what I want to do.
Through the program, students can earn associate degrees and certificates.
The dual enrollment program here at Whale Branch Early College High School is an awesome opportunity for students who are self-motivated and want to get a jump start on their college education. It gives them exposure to what instruction is on the college level and allows them to matriculate not just in the high school, but also participate in the college activities and programs that we offer.
The TCL dual enrollment program is free for students at the school. At Whale Branch Early College High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
Need your book for that, don't you?
Yes, I do.
And this is not a test, it's a quiz.